Should you remove couch cushions for cleaning or clean them in place to reach all areas and ensure a uniform result? Remove detachable cushions whenever possible because thorough access prevents trapped dirt and uneven drying. Start by checking the cushion construction and tags for cleaning codes so you know if water or solvent cleaning is safe. For foam cores without removable covers, clean surfaces with a low moisture method such as a dampened microfiber and an upholstery cleaner applied sparingly, blotting rather than rubbing to avoid saturating the foam. For zippered covers, unzip and wash according to the tag, using a gentle cycle with mild detergent and air drying flat to avoid shrinkage. If machine drying is allowed, choose a low heat setting and remove while slightly damp to reshape. Vacuum all cushion sides and undersides first with an upholstery attachment, then treat stains with targeted spot cleaners, working from the outside of the stain inward to prevent spreading. After washing, stack cushions upright in a breezy area to speed drying while maintaining shape and rotate periodically to ensure even airflow. People often leave cushions in place and end up with mildew or cold spots because the pad underneath stayed wet. The short fix is to remove covers or cushions and dry completely before reassembly. Another common mistake is overwetting foam cores, which leads to lingering odor and slow drying. Prevent that by using minimal liquid, blotting aggressively, and using fans to increase air circulation. A third issue is ignoring cushion seams and undersides which accumulate grime. Solution is to vacuum seams with a nozzle, use a soft brush for crevices, and, when possible, detach and clean those hidden surfaces before reassembling. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse community discussions about cleaning and maintenance so you can compare approaches and learn from real experiences. We connect contractors with homeowners seeking projects and host an active discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post before and after outcomes.